Experience driving perfection in the 2013 Nissan Sentra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 90,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, front fog lights, and cruise control. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.